Thucydides is never referred to as the father of history, but he's quite often referred to as the father of modern history, to distinguish him from Herodotus. Now, he's more concerned with aspects of what happened in the past that historians today tend to focus on. If you read a history of the U.S., you're not going to get very much biographical stuff, maybe thumbnail sketches of who the people are. Thucydides is the beginning of an analytical history, a history that some refer to as partaking in a kind of proto-scientific method, an analytical approach to history, looking at the evidence, sifting it out in a way that serves as a model for historians today way more than Herodotus does. I love Herodotus the way I love Homer. I love Thucydides the way I love some of my favorite modern historians. So whereas Herodotus is talking about the people who the Greeks encountered in the Persian Wars, almost like an epic, Thucydides gets into the politics involved in the alliance making of Athens and Sparta, and then the fighting of the war and the events going on during the war.